we're going to show you the best things to do in and around the city. We're also going to sprinkle in some travel tips to help keep you safe and have the best trip possible. So hope you enjoy the video. The bustling city of Marrakech is located in the center of Morocco. With its vibrant colors, buzzing atmosphere, mix of tradition and modernity, and aromatic smells, it's a city like no other. Marrakech truly stimulates all of your senses at once. In this video, we'll highlight the best things to do in and around this UNESCO World Heritage City. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Medina is the old city of Marrakech, entirely encircled by light pink walls. It's the heart of the city, packed with shops, traditional houses called riads, restaurants, and many of the historic sites. To learn all about the Medina and the local life in Marrakech, we recommend going on a walking tour of the city on your first day here. It's a great way to become familiar with the labyrinth of alleyways, as well as the local customs. The tour also takes you to corners that you likely wouldn't be able to find yourself, such as the workshops of the souks. Find a link to the tour that we did in the description below. One of the nice things about the city is that it's pretty compact. It's easy to get around places by walking, but you should be careful crossing the streets because even if there's a crosswalk, it's not guaranteed that these cars are going to stop for you. So wait for your moment and you should be good. Morocco in general is known for its delicious, unique cuisine that you can't find anywhere else in the world. Some staples that you have to try include couscous, meat brochettes, and the most iconic dish of all, tagine, which usually includes some kind of meat, like chicken, beef, or lamb, that is left to simmer and slow cooked with herbs, spices, and other ingredients, such as dates, potatoes, and vegetables. Most restaurants are located near the main square of Jemaa el-Fnaa, and you can find personal recommendations in our blog post. But don't shy away from the street food stalls, as they offer a delicious and affordable selection of sandwiches and pastries, as well as freshly squeezed juice and more exotic dishes. You can't leave Marrakech without visiting one of its historic sites. The Saadian Tombs are a 16th century burial ground of the Saadian dynasty, which ruled over Marrakech between 1524 and 1668. The mausoleums are beautifully decorated and are set amidst a garden. The tombs were walled up by the following ruler to keep his predecessors out of sight and mind, and was only rediscovered in the early 20th century when aerial photography exposed it. If you think this historic spot has beautiful designs, wait until we show you the palaces in just a moment. Marrakech is known for its beautiful gardens, and Majorelle Gardens might be the most famous one. Located in Marrakech's new town, these lush botanical gardens are filled with cacti, palms, and other colorful trees, offering a true escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It was originally created by artist Jacques Morel, who lived in this garden and villa complex. It was later purchased by the famous fashion designers Yves Saint Laurent and Pierre Berger, who restored it. Today, it's open to the public, and some of the houses have been converted into museums. The Mellah, or Jewish Quarter in Marrakech, is another interesting area to visit. Located near the beautiful palaces that we'll discuss at numbers 4 and 3, this quarter was once home to a sizable Jewish population. And while most of the Jewish residents have now left this area, there are still a number of Jewish places here, including the synagogue, the the Jewish cemetery, and the spice market. This place will tickle your taste buds with a wide range of Moroccan spices, herbs, and herbal teas.
So if you want to make a remote income from home,
Marrakech is known for its traditional souks, which are basically markets or bazaars. In the past, a souk was an area where merchants passed through the city and traded goods. As such, you can find them in different corners inside and outside of the Medina. What makes the souks in Marrakech remarkable is the wide variety of exotic items that you can buy, such as babooshes, lanterns, ceramics, carpets, and leather goods. Most of the popular souks can be found next to the main square. We put a graphic here on the screen with the names. We also left a link in the description where you can find directions to each souk.
When you walk through the souks, you will notice that a lot of the vendors will talk to you, trying to get you into their shop. But if you don't want to buy anything, just say shukran, thank you, and just walk away. And if you do want to buy something, make sure to bargain, because usually the price that they will offer is a little bit higher. So haggle down and make sure that what you pay in the end is comfortable for you.
The Saadian ruler, Al-Mansur, who was buried in the Saadian Tombs we discussed earlier, also had built a grand palace in the 16th century. And although it stands largely in ruins today, it's easy to take a journey back in time and imagine the beauty it once had. Step foot inside, and you'll see its grandeur, with mosaic